Team Weather Lab, Kamc meteorologist Lexi Birmingham.
Well, good evening, everyone. Happy Sunday. Hope you guys had a great weekend. A little bit on the cooler side this morning. That's because that cold front moved through earlier today, not only bringing the cooler temperatures, but of course, very breezy and windy winds today. We're taking a look at the Overton West live look. And of course we have to show this because, you know, Texas Tech is moving on to Omaha. And I just found out on Twitter that my Florida State Seminoles are moving on to Omaha. Hopefully they won't have to face each other because I have no idea who I'm going to be cheering for. In the meantime, though, we're actually seeing very nice conditions, maybe just a little bit of cloud cover. More of the active activity has been in southern portions of Texas. You do see quite a bit of severe weather just to the south of Austin. And these are the same storms that caused quite a bit of a stir in that Dallas area earlier today. Back here at home, we're a little bit on the cooler side. We do see 62 degrees here in Lubbock. See some upper 50s up towards the north for Tulia and Dimmitt. Down towards the south, seeing some mid 60s left over. Gale is at 65 and so is Snyder. Now we'll continue to drop into the mid to upper 50s later on tonight. So it will be a little bit of a chilly start in the morning. If you get chilly pretty quickly, you may want to grab a jacket before heading out the door. We'll see 54 degrees for Plainview, 57 in Plainview, and 58 for the folks down in Gaines County. And not quite seeing the warm up that we really want to see, especially this time of the year. We'll see some low 70s and a few upper to mid 60s down towards the southwest. 71 for Lubbock and 70 for Floyd Data. Now the winds will continue to be a bit breezy overnight tonight and even into your early mornings, but they will begin to taper off as we head into your afternoon. Only seeing about 15-mile-per-hour winds there in Lubbock and 13-mile-per-hour winds for Childress. And finally, we'll see winds get back down into the 5 to 10-mile-per-hour range as we head into midnight on Tuesday. A little bit breezier up towards Amarillo and the Clovis area, but overall, again, only seeing 10-mile-per-hour winds there in Lubbock. Now, some things possible for tonight. We could see a few pop-up showers, but nothing too convective. Mostly out towards the east, but it could become more widespread and across our region as we head into the early morning hours. About 6:30, seeing maybe a few pop-up showers for Lubbock. More of that heavier activity down towards the southwest South Plains, but it will clear up by the afternoon. We'll have a very nice Monday ahead, and then by midnight on Tuesday, a few pop-up showers could sneak their way back into our region. In the meantime, though, we'll see 57 degrees overnight tonight with winds a little bit breezy again out of the northeast at 15-20 miles per hour. 70 degrees, mostly cloudy conditions, a mild day for tomorrow with an isolated chance of some showers. Winds much better at only about 5 to 15 miles per hour. So as for your 7-day forecast, again, 70 degrees for tomorrow, 84 by your Tuesday, so a nice warm up there. We'll begin to see rain chances start to come back by Wednesday and Thursday as we do see an upper level shortwave system moving in that could possibly bring us some lift. Isolated chance by your Thursday, 94 by your Friday, and 94 by your Saturday. And so far looking pretty good for Father's Day, which is next Sunday. But of course, and it is with great sadness that I announce that tonight is my last night here at KMAC News. My future will be taking me, my next chapter in life will be taking me to West Monroe, Louisiana, and I will be the new morning meteorologist for KTVE and KARD News there. As many of you know, this was my first job right out of college, and I could not have been more grateful and blessed to have my start here in Lubbock. When I came to Lubbock 2 years ago, I really wasn't sure what to expect, and what I found is just a loving and kind community and dust, a whole lot of dust. That's probably the one thing I will not miss about Lubbock, but everything else definitely for sure. The weather here gave me many challenges that I needed to grow and expand in my knowledge and also for my love of weather. So again, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all for your support these last couple of years. And before you panic, yes, I do intend to keep on cheering for Texas Tech along with my Florida State Seminoles. So again, from the bottom of my heart, once again, I want to thank everyone for their support these last couple of years. I'm meteorologist Lexi Birmingham from the KMAC Storm Team Weather Lab. We'll be right back with Red Raider Nation.